Hello and thank you for watching. I don't know how to speak sometimes. The Kempler design vlog. I'm going to be installing some Duette honeycomb shades. And the reason that I'm doing this is because this particular client is going to be doing some painting and they want to know exactly how to put them in and to take them down. So we're going to shoot both. So right here, you'll notice that you have a bracket. When it comes off, it looks weird, you don't really know, but notice this guy right here, this little thing, that's on the bottom, and this little lip is on the top. So the way that it works is we take a screw and we locate the place where we're going to put it, and I just mark it. You can see the little, maybe, hopefully you can see that, a little dark mark, and then we're going to just shoot this right in. Don't over tighten it, just make sure it's firm. And we're going to take the other one on the other side and do the exact same thing. Place it where it goes. Again, notice that these little two holes in the back, those go to the top. Sometimes you need those, not in this case. So it just needs one screw. I've marked the location and I'm going to screw it in. All right, that's done, and now I'm going to grab the shade, which is right here. And obviously, the part with the handle goes out. And the way that this works is this little lip right here goes inside this little lip right here. So the way that it works is you tip it a little bit. You can see how it's facing out. Go up to the top. And then check your gap on this side and this side. Make sure they're the same, which they are right now. And just push in and listen. That's it. It's installed, and I'm trying to shake it, and I can't bring it down. So now you just lower it, and they're installed. Now I'm going to show you how to take them down when you're doing painting. So you raise it all the way to the top, and if we come in really close, you're going to notice, we're going to try and get underneath a little bit so we can see. Good. So you can see right here, we're going to take the screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and if we look underneath here, you'll notice right along that edge, you see that little tab? I'm flicking it so you can hear it right there. And there's one over on the other side too, but basically all you do is you stick your screwdriver in. That's it. Same side. I mean the other side, same thing. Just a little tick, and it's literally out. That's all that it takes. Now here's one other thing that's important if you're painting. Some people take these down, the brackets, so they can paint perfectly around it and reinstall it, which is why I showed you how to do that. And some people leave it up and paint around it. I would recommend taking it down if you're going to do it, and then putting it up, same thing as before. Find your equal gap, snap, and you're done. That's how to install and how to take down the Duette honeycomb shade. And thank you for watching the Kempler design vlog.